Today we are making butter chicken wrap. First you make the wrap. Very good, very nice. Now you take your butter chicken and you spooning the butter chicken. Like in the absent. We had lots of butter chicken. We love the butter chicken. I don't think this is enough. So not enough. No. Masterbeast. Now we roll the butter chicken. If it's not right, it's not tight. If it's not tight, it's not right. The butter chicken. Now we need a vegetable. Now we're eating like a reindeer today. We eating the carrot. It is not the time. We don't have the carrot. We put the yogurt on it. Very good, very nice. Or maybe, or Mr. Chocolate time.
Piroca que eu posto no TikTok. Quer ficar famosa? Quer ganhar e...
Now we can't eat like a reindeer because we don't have the carrot. Now you get your spooning. Oh, what you do to the camera? Now we have a very good, very nice butter chicken wrap. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.